how to fix the issue where CMD keeps popping up on your computer. So if you're getting this window here either randomly open or just keep popping up on your computer, I'm going to show you exactly how we can go and solve this. Now the first thing we need to do is ensure that this isn't being caused by a virus on our computer. So go and open up your start menu, search for Windows Security, and then go and click on this window here. From this window, select Virus and Threat Protection. You can then press Scan Options, and I'd recommend doing a full scan of your computer and then pressing the Scan Now button. Now this can take up to an hour to complete, so you'll just need to leave this running on your computer. If any viruses or malware are detected, it will automatically be repaired using this tool. Now the next solution is just to go and open up a folder on your computer. In the left hand side, click on this PC. You then need to right click on the disk that you're using, click on Properties, click on Tools, and next to Error Checking, go and press this check button. You can then press Scan Drive. Now once again, this will take a few minutes to complete, and this will just ensure that our drive is working correctly. Now the next solution is to open up the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. You're then going to type in sfc/scan now and then press enter. Now this will check your computer for any corrupted or damaged files, as this can be another reason why you may see the command prompt open and close. Now if you've tried everything so far and it's still not working, then go and open up the Start menu, search for Run, and then just click on the Run icon. In this box here, type in shell : and then the word startup and then press enter. Now these are all of the applications that automatically run on your computer. So what you want to do is go through this list and remove and delete anything that either you don't recognize or anything relating to the command prompt. You can do that just by right clicking on it and selecting delete. Now one other reason why this may be happening is due to the Asus software on your computer. So if you go and open up the settings like so, in the left hand side, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps, and then using the search box, type in Asus. And now if you have this application here, which is the Asus Framework Service, this can actually cause the command prompt to appear. So what I would recommend doing is just going in and uninstalling this framework service. You can always reinstall it at a later date if you do need it. And once you've uninstalled that, that should go and fix the command prompt issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.